Hello everyone. I'd like to show you my basic circuit here. Hopefully you can see that. And we'll go ahead and push the button. Show you that it works. Perfect. I'll be right back with my series circuit. Alright, now I'd like to show everybody my series circuit here. Hopefully you can see that. And we will click both at one time and show you my lit up LED. Alright, the next one is my parallel circuit. I'll be right back. And here is my parallel circuit. Hopefully you can see that. Either or, light them up both at the same time. Thanks for watching.